Good morning, everybody. What time is it now? It is 10 to 11 in the morning here. It is Wednesday, I think it's the 7th, something like that. Right, this here is a parcel. I'm sorry, I don't want to show the address on, and it's from Beercan Bushcraft. Okay, now I don't know how to send the link to his thing through this Chromebook. Sorry. Um, and this is a parcel I've been waiting on, and everybody I think knows what it is. But I've opened just no, there's nothing. What's going on here? All right, okay, right. Ooh, what's going on here? Okay, right. That's the other one road. I sent a letter. Let's see. Thank you for the wonderful locks you sent me. Right, no, it's just sent me a wee postcard here. I'm gonna read that later on. Right, what's this? I don't know what that's about. Oh, I know now, I do. Right, I've got it now. Right, no, sorry. Sorry about this here. This is taking over just a minute here. Right. You know, we like a shade here on Christmas morning. I want to tear this thing apart. Um, I've been so looking forward. Oh, look at this here. Oh, look at this here. Oh, look at that there. And it's made of Yale. Oh, here's the back of my neck stand here. Oh, that is absolutely brilliant. Oh, I can't believe that, boys. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this, boys. I cannot believe this. Oh, Beercan, mate, thank you so much, mate. Thank you very much for that there. Um, Sorry I've lost it here, but that's just incredible. Sorry about this, sorry about this, sorry. Um, that's just incredible, mate. Thank you for doing that for me, thank you. Oh, I can't believe this, boys, I cannot believe that. Oh, boys, I can't believe that. Oh, I cannot believe this, boys, I cannot believe it. That's just unbelievably beautiful. It's made a yell and everything. And across, as you can see to yourselves. Mate, I don't know what to do out there. I'm stunned. I don't know. Mate, thank you so much. Oh, that is just incredible, boys. My mind's gone blank here, so that's completely blank. I'm sorry, but my mind's going blank here, guys. I cannot believe it. Right, everybody. The lock here, another unbelievable. Uh, this year's handmade. You've seen it in Beercan Bushcraft videos. He shows all of the made. This thing has been made, and this is the key. I'm sorry, my head's gone here. Why? My head's totally gone. And this is the original. This is the handmade key and everything. Like it's not just a key. This is handmade. He's like, and that's it open there, and that's it locked, and that's the back of it and everything. An old 1966 penny. Beercan, mate. I'm absolutely over the moon. Thank you so much, mate. I'm sorry. I'm not. Was expecting this to be a real. Mate, you've just caught me here. You've just caught me off guard here. Unreal. Beercan, mate. Thank you so much. Two unbelievable things. Beat that. You'll never. That's unreal. Handmade lockboys and a handmade cross from Yale. Come on. Three things that I love. The cross symbolises the Lord Jesus Christ dying on the cross. And obviously Yale, obviously everybody knows I love Yales. And now this here penny lock, handmade penny lock. Right. This is the best parcel I've ever had. I'm speechless here, mate. Thank you so much. Right. I don't know what to say. My mind's going blank here, mate. Everybody, thank you very much. I will see you again sometime. Thank you. Right. Bye bye.